Hi everyone! Well, welcome to Andrew's Vegan Kitchen. I know it has definitely been a while, but I'm here again. Alright, so today we are going to make mango cranberry rolls. Alright, so here I'm just gonna get right into it. So here I have some warm water and I have some sweetener, my yeast, my salt, cranberries, a little coconut milk, my mango puree, and my flour. Alright, so first of all, let's just do all the combination. The yeast, and you can use agave or honey, or if you have sugar, it's fine, and you don't have to. I know the yeast is good, so I'm not going to put it for long to prove. I just wanted to show you the combination, of course. All right, and now, all right, you can see that the yeast is very active. All right, so we are going to just, all right, so let's go ahead and add in our yeast mixture. Our coconut milk, our salt. On this side, you don't want to get the salt with the yeast too much. Our mango puree, and we are just going to form this in a nice little. And with your roll, you don't want to be mixing, kneading it too much, because it will be hard. So just use your fingertips to combine the liquid and the dry ingredients. Right, so after you have gotten the dough, you have combined the ingredients, both the dry ingredients and the liquid, you can just add your cranberries. If you want more cranberries, you can add it, and then you just add your butter and you're gonna fold it into it. Just combine everything so you can have it properly distributed. So this dough, we're just going to, because it's not bread, so you don't have to knead that much, so we're just going to put it to proof for about 10 minutes, and then we'll make the rolls. Alright, so this is after 10 minutes. You realize that the dough has risen, so we're just going to use our fist and deflate it a little. That's getting out some of the air. Alright, and now we're going to portion our roll. This is a high protein flour, so that's why I did not need it much. So we're going to portion it. Alright, and now I'm going to roll them in a little ball. You can do the portion you choose. So I've greased my baking tray, my little tray, so this is what I'm gonna put them on. So see, I have rolled them, so I'm just going to allow them to proof for our next 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll put them in the oven. Alright, so let's preheat our oven. So this is clear. Bake 360. Here. And bake. Alright, so it's time to put them in the oven. So I'm just going to remove the cling wrap. Then I'm going to put them in the oven. Alright, there you have it. The mango cranberry rolls. Let me see, all I did, I just add a little butter on it. Ooh, it's very hot. Very hot. Right there you have it. All done. Ooh. Ooh, hot. There you have it. Ooh. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Thank you. Love you all.